We are commencing with the first session on central schemes for MSME. If it's about MSME, as rightly stated by the dignitaries in the inaugural session, we have the best faculty from the country who is holding specialization in this sector, and especially when it comes to incentives and the subsidies and the schemes that are available at the central level for the MSME sector. Sir is a qualified chartered accountant and holding numerous certification in cooperative audit, concurrent audit, anti-money laundering, etc. Sir is also regularly holding seminars and training sessions at various forums including ICI on pan-India basis. Sir is also the faculty in MSME certification course conducted by ICI. Sir has held various respectful positions at multiple forums. With this brief introduction, I would request our Vice Chairperson Sunil Sanghvi sir to welcome sir with a memento.
First of all, thanks to Ahmedabad branch for giving me this opportunity and inviting me again on this platform, particularly on the topic of practice avenues available to we practicing chartered accountants in MSME sector. Friends, we are celebrating 77th independence of our country. MSME is not the recent child or a recent topic. Our institute has taken more than 72 years to take the opportunity of MSME sector. Our own chairman himself has recently or on this platform has told that 3 years before the institute had chartered the certificate course on MSME. And friends, immediately after passing my chartered accountancy in 1989, I was trying to get the practice in Mumbai, which was very difficult. Then I came back to my native place, Dhule, which is a backward district of Maharashtra. Very rare opportunity for chartered accountant in 1991 and 89. One client has approached to me and he has told me, मुझे लघु उद्योग प्रमाण पत्र चाहिए. And in our syllabus till today, provisional SSI or Udyam register, now it has become a fashion. But in those days, लघु उद्योग प्रमाण पत्र मोदी है, मुमकिन है. भाई लघु उद्योग प्रमाण पत्र इग्नोरेंस क्यों बताओ, मुझे आता है. जिला उद्योग केंद्र में गए, जिला उद्योग केंद्र वाले बोलते चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स हैज नो रोल टू प्ले, वी डोंट एंटरटेन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स. And that day till date, I am exclusively practiced in MSME. And I say myself that I am giving birth to industries. What I proclaim myself that I am giving birth to industry. And there will be a difference between traditional practice and non-traditional practice. Friends, and that I want to put in front of you. You are lucky enough that you are staying in a metropolis city of Gujarat, which is known to be one of the industrially developed state in the country. One of the developed state in the country and having immense opportunity for manufacturing sector, and you are lucky enough that you are staying in Ahmedabad. Traditional practice depends upon non-traditional practice. This is my tagline as far as MSME practice is concerned. Traditional practice, if you are in non-traditional area of practice, your traditional practice will grow automatically. That's why the word which I have used, I am giving birth to industry. Whatever clients I have helped, facilitated, mentored, support, gave them the services at initial stage of their idea. Whenever idea comes in the minds of the young entrepreneurs or an existing entrepreneurs, वो सबसे पहले ढूंढता है मुझे सब्सिडी कौन मिला के दे सकता है. Who is the person in the state or in the city or in the town who is aware about various schemes of the central and state government. Initially, I was thinking that giving subsidy consultancy is the best services in MSME. But friends, to my knowledge, recently when I have entered into other area of MSME, subsidy 5% practice है MSME. It is not more than 5% of the total ecosystem of MSME services. फिर वो micro हो, small हो, medium हो, large हो, ultra mega हो, mega हो, whatever type of industries are there, services is 5%. When you think the ecosystem of MSME, you will come to know, आप खुद को एक entrepreneur के सीट में बैठा हो. Think yourself that you are planning to establish a unit of 10 crore rupees. and what type of steps you are supposed to take while you are planning to establish your own unit. I think our services as a practicing chartered accountant will start from the day the idea has come in the mind of the entrepreneur. The first idea is constitution. What type of constitution I should have? That is our traditional area of practice. हम लोगों काम करते हैं, somebody comes to us, sir, proprietorship, partnership, LLP, private limited, limited company, cooperative, farmer producer company, so many constitutions are there. But as a practicing chartered accountant, if we are aware about the MSME ecosystem, banking facilities, bank किसको finance करता है? If you see, there are more than 150 institutions in the country which is providing financial services to the MSME sector in the country. In my opinion, there is immense platform created by state, central, government, departments, various organizations in the country, which so far we have not tapped, in my opinion. We have just concentrated on two ministries of the central government, that is Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Corporate Affairs, as our traditional area of practice is concerned. But in my opinion, there are 52 ministries in the central government, and each ministry, if you read properly, listen properly, there is a professional opportunity available to us. Whatever expenditure is made, and I think the biggest expenditure maker in this country is the government of India. And expenditure involves finance, finance involves accounting, accounting involves auditing, auditing involves chartered accountants. So whatever activity is taken by any ministries of the central government, that's why don't depend upon the two ministries. Keep your eyes open. There are innumerable opportunities available to we practicing CA. On 15th August, the Honorable Prime Minister has proclaimed from Red Fort. हमने 3 दिन पहले प्रधानमंत्री जी को सुना. 16 तारीख को प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कैबिनेट डिसीजन ले लिया. There is a cabinet decision, and in my opinion as an MSME consultant आपको यही सुनना है. मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी को हर वक्त 15 अगस्त को सुनता हूँ, not for political lecture, but lecture vision given by the Honorable Prime Minister for the development of the country. His vision, what he is going to do in next year as far as the economy is concerned. और वो vision के अंदर अपनी practice छुपी हुई है. The 4 proclamation given by the Honorable Pradhan Sevak of our country from the Red Fort is allocated for PM e-bus Seva, deployed 10,000 e-buses in 169 cities. अब ये e-buses कहाँ से आएगी? हवा से आएगी. It will be manufactured by the entrepreneurs in the country. So हम as a chartered accountant ने immediately क्या करना? Who are the manufacturer? How much ancillary units will come? Where those units will come? And when there is a 10,000 electric buses, how much financial outlay is there? So from that day, you will get the opportunity to enter into practice. Everybody will ask, अरे सर हम हमारी traditional practice से MSME practice में entry कैसे करें? So my lecture will be traditional, non-traditional, and how to enter into the practice and how to grab the opportunity. Where are the professional opportunities available? 57,613 crore for PM e-buses is the outlay of the government of India. Just imagine the opportunities available to. हमको उसमें से grab करना है opportunity, उठाना है. अहमदाबाद में कितनी बसेस बनेगी, महाराष्ट्र में कितनी आएगी? Which are the automobile hub of India? See, your state is also having Gujarat e-vehicle policy. Maharashtra is also having Maharashtra e-vehicle policy. Each and every state in the country, wherever you are situated, whatever the state government, there is e-vehicle policy. So you have to synchronize with Maharashtra electric vehicle policy, Gujarat e-vehicle policy with the e-buses and try to give a product to your customer. 32,500 crore outlay for multi-tracking projects covering 35 districts. Railways will be given more opportunities, more for 32,000. Railway पे खर्चा होगा तो किस पे खर्चा होगा? Economy पे. Somebody is going to manufacture those products. 14,903 crores amount allocated for Digital India. Digital India हम इसको mission समझते हैं, but we don't consider Digital India as a professional opportunity. ease of doing business. Right, sitting in your own office, you can do the professional consultancy to a person who is planning to establish a unit in, say, Himachal Pradesh. We can do that. So this 14,000 crore itself, just imagine, मैंने ये 14,000 में से 10 करोड़ का भी प्रोजेक्ट एग्जीक्यूट किसका करके दिखाया, and the opportunity you will come. 13,000 crore for Vishwakarma scheme. Now the Sutar and all these people, artisans people will get. And see, friends, if you really want to come into MSME practice, I am coming to the topics, but I am giving you the Parshva Bhumi of how to enter into practice. अगर हमारा आश्रम रोड पे ऑफिस होगा, and if you are planning to the MSME practice, I am not denying that ashram room office is not important. But if you consider, if anybody wants to establish a MSME unit of 10 crore to 15 crore rupees, he will not be planning to establish a unit in Ahmedabad or Vadodara or Surat or Rajkot or Jamnagar, because the land cost will be very high. So in my opinion, where the real practice of MSME is situated in 256 talukas of the Gujarat. As an MSME consultant, you have to look after the small towns of the Gujarat. And as per your Gujarat Industrial Policy 2020, which are around 16 policies at present in the state of Gujarat, most of the micro, small and medium enterprises units are coming in the Mofishil, in the small and the town or known as the taluka places of Gujarat. And those entrepreneurs who are planning to establish their unit in taluka places, they are in need of appropriate or a person who is conversant with the MSME policies of the state as well as the central government. So in case of MSME practice, you have to come out of your comfort zone. सुबह 11 बजे गए और जीएसटी पोर्टल को लिंक किया, या फिर जाके इनकम टैक्स पोर्टल को लिंक किया, या एमएससी पोर्टल को लिंक किया, उसी तरह immediately coming after to our office, also linked to the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise. और आप थोड़े से तालुका places में जाओ, where the real area of practice is up. But with this background, I am coming to certain schemes of the center, and when I have told you, it is only 5%. Subsidy practice बोलते, it is only 5%. See, our entrepreneur needs, as I told you, आपको सबसे पहले constitution clear करना है. While advising a clients, discuss who are coming together. Husband, wife, father, son, brother, or friends. Then if you are aware about the succession law of India, you can suggest him, sir, better you form a LLP or a partnership firm or a private limited. Easy exit policy is there. So the person who is coming in front of you will be very happy that you have provided him value added services. After formation of constitution, the next thing is, and see, how to, अभी कोई भी client आपके पास आएगा तो उसका existing कोई तो CA होगा, if he is not a first generation entrepreneur. Normally we are not ready to sacrifice our fees. And what I have observed in 33 years of my MSME practice, my professional services are inclusive of constitution registration, GST registration, PAN number, partnership registration, private limited registration, till you get the disbursement of subsidy from state. उसको वहीं बांध लेता हूँ. And take this sutra from you. नहीं तो हम क्या करेंगे, जैसा डॉक्टर ने सुई लगा, इतना मॉर्निंग का विजिट का, इतना इवनिंग का विजिट का, इतना हर चीज का बंडल उसको चार्ज करेंगे ना. सो व्हाट ही विल थिंक, मेरा एग्जिस्टिंग सीए मेरा टैक्स ऑडिट कर लेगा, he will prepare my income tax return, GST return. Hence there is opportunity for each one of us, if we are planning to come into MSME, create verticals in your office. अपने ऑफिस में वर्टिकल्स क्रिएट करो. somebody is expert in creation of constitution, somebody is expert in getting the loan or preparing the project reports and getting funding from the bank. So that way you get the opportunity. Constitution बन गई. The next question comes to appropriate land selection. And I think none of you anywhere in the country, I am not blaming you people, कभी GIDC गुजरात इंडस्ट्रीज डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन ये एक एरिया ऑफ प्रैक्टिस समझा होगा. ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर अवेलेबल. इफ somebody wants to become an expert in getting land allotted from GIDC, it is not only land allotted, succession, transfer, mortgage, tri-party creation, so many things are associated, division, subdivision, mortgage, so many opportunities available. So appropriate land selection. It is from State Industrial Development Corporation, okay. If it is a private land, then again getting that land converted from agriculture to industry. See the ecosystem. हर स्टेप पे आपको प्रोफेशनल अपॉर्चुनिटी. आप बोलेगे सर हमने तो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी किया है, बट यू आर प्लानिंग व्हाई यू आर कम हियर फॉर 2 days to become expert in MSME practice. And you have to get associate network with the engineers, with the advocates, with the architects, that they will, or with the advocates, that they will help you to solve the problems of your Andhra. Instead of the entrepreneur visiting to each separate person, why don't you have a network of people in your own office? So that you can recommend, भाई ये इलेक्ट्रिकल कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का काम है, मिस्टर एक्स को मिल लो. आपको अगर आपको if you want to get NA conversion, meet this man. So this way, other than subsidy work, you can execute a number of, and if a single window clearance is created by in your own office, just imagine the area of practice you are getting from MSM. Just imagine. Multiple hands are working for a single entrepreneurs in your own office, and that's why I use the word, your traditional practice will develop. अगर जिसी भी क्लाइंट को आपने ये एमएसएमई का अप्रोप्रिएट सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड किया है, आई एश्योर यू दैट उसका एटिस फंक्शन, टैक्स ऑडिट, कंपनी ऑडिट, वॉट एवर टाइप ऑफ वर्क विल बी देयर, it will remain. I am experiencing that. Out of 100 clients to I have got a subsidy from either state government or central government. 95% people, wherever their unit are situated, वो बोलते मोदी जी हमारा ऑडिट का काम भी आपकी फर्म से. Let the audit work be continued with your office, because they got some trust with us. The way we have handled at his or her a stage of nurturing when he is planning to establish his units. And a trust is created, and that's why, though he may be having his existing CA firm to whom he is getting his other work done, but that particular entity for whom you have helped him, I think the audit will remain with us. That's why traditional practice, non-traditional practice help you to grow the traditional practice. We are concentrating on central government scheme, and I think this is a very important scheme of the central government, that is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. National Horticulture Board, that is establishing cold storage. Cold storage are established either two locations, either at a center where the horticulture produce are produced, जहाँ बहुत अभी टमाटा, it is a big issue in the country as far as the politics is concerned. But if you have the storage capacity to store the perishable commodities, so either it should be established at a consumption center, or it should be established at a center where it is grown. So the Ministry of Farmer Welfare, Agriculture, as I told you, there are you name any ministry in the country, there is a professional opportunity. So this is one of the ministry in the central government, National Horticulture Board, which is offering subsidy for establishing cold storages. Cold storage may be having positive temperature, or cold storage may be having negative temperature. And Gujarat being a coastal belt, Bharat has got 7,516 kilometer coastal belt right from Somnath to Gangasagar. And coast-based industries, cold storage is a very important aspect, and particularly for the metro cities where we are consuming but not, and we are not growing any commodity, cold storage is an important activity. How much is the construction, if you are constructing new, making expansion, modernization of existing cold storage for horticulture produce, the government of India is offering subsidy. In principle approval, this is the official, everything is given. It is only ease of doing business. No need to have any knowledge. Just invest your one day to understand all the documentary requirement, you will become an expert in cold storage consultancy. And sir, I am doing this consultancy all over India. I have established more than 27, and recently 2 days before my client has got how much amount of subsidy? 1,36,15,000. See the satisfaction on his face that somebody has helped him to get the subsidy disbursed of 1,36,00,000. अब ये मत पूछना कितना फी मिला. Just imagine the satisfaction. And इसलिए मैं बोला, the trust created by the clients, and that person has become a mouth person, और my advertisement point, अगर सब्सिडी का काम करना है तो X person से कर लो. Within a month we have submitted the file and we got the disbursement. So this is Ministry of, this is National Horticulture Board. Component, assistant, how much subsidy is provided by the central government? It is not only subsidy practice, preparing project report, having on your panel the refrigeration engineer, having on your panel the civil contractor. Cold storage is not a complex. It is a typical type of technical building. So we have a network of people all over India. You name the state, there is a consultant available in the country. और कोल्ड स्टोरेज का आत्मा होता है रेफ्रिजरेशन. अगर इस बिल्डिंग का रेफ्रिजरेशन या कूलिंग बंद कर दे तो हम बैठ नहीं पाएंगे. एंड फॉर हॉर्टिकल्चर प्रोड्यूस विच इज पेरिशेबल, कोल्ड स्टोरेज इज अ नेसेसिटी. And in addition to the central government, the state of Gujarat government, National Horticulture Mission, Gandhinagar, is also offering subsidy for establishing the cold storage. So you can take the advantage of central and state government and give a bouquet to your client if you are aware about the central government scheme. It is 35% of the capital cost of project. In general areas, Ahmedabad mein lagana hai to it is 35%. And if you want to establish the same cold storage in Dang district, which is scheduled area, or aspirational district, or ITDP area, integrated tribal development plan, or TSP area, tribal sub-plan area, the subsidy will be 50% of the project cost. Who will get the benefit? The entrepreneur. By whose consultancy? We practicing chartered accountant. And how we got the knowledge? By this type of national MSME conferences. And once you successfully execute one cold storage activity, I think the future cold storages will come to you. And that's why I told you, don't consider Ahmedabad's area as area of your practice. When you are coming to this industrial practice, now think about Gujarat as your area of practice. And once you are aware about Gujarat industries, you can think that I can become an expert in the neighboring state of Gujarat, whether it is Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, I can give guidance to that. And once you become expert, you can say I am a national consultant. And I urge to the Gujarat branch, wherever you find the opportunity, the institute has chartered with a certificate course on MSME. But I think the future need of the country is MBA in MSME. There is MBA in marketing, there is MBA in finance, but there is no MBA in MSME. A 2 years course can be inducted in your Gujarat University anywhere in the country, and we chartered accountant can become a faculty, and we can educate the young entrepreneurs who are nowadays going to सब लोग job में जा रहे हैं. An engineer is becoming engineer and just thinking about the packages. MBA करता है packages के पीछे. Who will run the industry? So there is a huge opportunity for certificate course on MSME. So 50% in hilly area, scheduled area for establishing cold storages. I'm just keeping. How much is the subsidy? The capital cost is decided by NHB. 4 crore, so subsidy at the rate of 35% will be 1.4 crore and at the rate of 50% will be 2 crore. 2 crore रुपए की subsidy मिलेगी. Just imagine, because of your consultancy, a cold storage owner has got a 2 crore rupees subsidy. नहीं तो हम ट्रेडिशनल प्रैक्टिस में क्या करते हैं, पेनल्टी भरो, टीडीएस भरो, जीएसटी भरो, रिवर्स मॉर्गेज नहीं करा, ये करो, दैट इज अवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. बट हियर द प्रैक्टिस इज ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट. देयर वी आर टेलिंग आवर क्लाइंट्स टू पे द टैक्सेस, पे द पेनल्टीज, डिसअलाउंसेस. हियर we are benefiting. It's a win-win situation for our clients that due to our consultancy is benefiting by 2 crore rupees. And once he is benefiting, he will be very happy to pay our professional fee in advance. So this is cold storages. The subsidy at various capacity up to 10,000 metric ton capacity cold storage can be, and the subsidy at the rate of 50% for 10,000 metric ton in Vashi, New Bombay. There are number of cold storages, number of more than 100. 3 करोड़ 40 लाख और 2 करोड़ 38 लाख रुपए की सब्सिडी अपन our consultancy मिला के दे सकते. Technology induction, suppose you are establishing solar rooftop on cold storage, then also, sir, we are all practicing chartered accountants. We do income tax also, and each one of you must be aware about section 35 AD of the Income Tax Act. In addition to MSME practice, we are We are chartered accountants, we are aware about the Income Tax Act. And in 2016, 17, 18, we got 150% deduction on the capital cost of the cold storage. 150% deduction on the capital cost of the project under section 35 AD of the income. किसने अगर 5 करोड़ का कोल्ड स्टोरेज लगाया है तो 7.5 करोड़ का डिडक्शन. Then what will be the planning as a chartered accountant? Have a partnership as a constitution. Don't claim any interest on capital. Don't claim any salary from the partnership. 35 AD का डिडक्शन मिल रहा है. जिस दिन ये डिडक्शन खत्म हो जाएगा मैं क्या को इंडिविजुअल में टैक्स भरूँ दोबारा, यहाँ क्लेम करूँ दोबारा इंडिविजुअल में टैक्स भरूँ. बेटर. सो दिस वे यू कैन गिव वैल्यू एडेड सर्विसेज. Tax planning is permitted. So this is section 35 AD. Agriculture Infrastructure Fund. Again from Red Fort. रेड फोर्ट से ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कहा था 1 लाख करोड़ का हम एग्रीकल्चर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फंड लेके आएंगे फॉर डबलिंग द फार्मर इनकम. I think we all chartered accountants should have the vision as the central government is having the vision. Doubling the farmers' income by 2025. Doubling the chartered accountants' income by 2025. आज जो हमारी प्रैक्टिस चल रही है उसको डबल कैसे करना बाय 2025. एंड आई सैल्यूट टू द अहमदाबाद ब्रांच फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सच नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन एमए. And I think once you enter into your practice in MSME in addition to your traditional practice, be assured that our practice will double. 1 lakh crore financing facility launched. It is proclaimed by Pradhan Sevak from the Red Fort, and immediately the government has come out with a agriculture infrastructure facility, and for that a dedicated portal is created in central government which is known as National Agri Infra Fund Portal, under which up to 2 crore of rupees loan, no collateral security is required to give. And I take an example of edible oil manufacturing unit, whether it is a cottonseed oil or groundnut oil or whatever, saltex, grading, food processing, any commodity which is grown by farmers and which is converted into edible products is eligible under Agri Infrastructure Fund. And cold storage is one of the activity. So up to 2 crore of rupees loan. Suppose the borrower has borrowed 5 crore rupees loan for agri processing industry. Up to 2 crore, no collateral security is required. First benefit under Agri Infra Fund scheme, no collateral security. First benefit. Second benefit, the upper rate of interest the bank can charge under Agri Infra Fund is only 9%, not beyond that. The third benefit, the bank cannot recover from you CGT MSE commission because the security is, the loan is collateral free. No security is required to be given. और अगर आपने 4 एक्सपीलर को ऑयल मिल डाला, एंड ऑयल मिल अहमदाबाद में आएगा क्या? ऑयल मिल आएगा तालुका प्लेसेस में. एंड 2 करोड़ में आराम से ऑयल मिल बनता है. 3 करोड़, 3 एक्सपीलर, 4 एक्सपीलर का. कोल्ड स्टोरेज 7 करोड़ में बनता है. तो 2 करोड़ आपका, 5 करोड़ बैंक का, 2 करोड़ के लोन के लिए कोई कोलैटरल नहीं. 9% अपर लिमिट, नो CGT MSE कमीशन. द थर्ड बेनिफिट 3% इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन. 9% में से 3% आपको क्वार्टरली बेसिस पे एग्री इंफ्रा फंड स्कीम के अंतर्गत इंटरेस्ट रिफंड मिल जाएगा क्वार्टरली बेसिस पे. सो इफेक्टिवली द बैंक विल बी रिकवरिंग ओनली 6%. नाउ थिंक अबाउट गुजरात MSME पॉलिसी. In your state, Gujarat government is having Gujarat MSME policy. Category 1, Category 2, Category 3 is the classification of the areas of the state of Gujarat. And right from 5% to 9% interest reimbursement is provided under Gujarat industrial policy, Gujarat MSME policy. अगर मैं दोनों का बेनिफिट क्लब करूँ, there is 0% interest. 3% तो एग्री इंफ्रा में मिल रहा है. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट मुझे 5 से 9%, अगर इफ इट इज अ वुमन एंटरप्रेन्योर देन इट इज 9%. तो 0% इंटरेस्ट. अभी हमारा रोल कहाँ आता है? व्हेन द बैंक इज लॉगिंग इन योर प्रोजेक्ट, टेल द बैंकर्स. बैंकर को भी पता नहीं था एग्रीकल्चर इंफ्रा फंड स्कीम्स क्या है. तो बैंकर्स को बोलना कि भाई यू डोंट लॉग और रजिस्टर अवर प्रोजेक्ट अंडर MSME, रजिस्टर अंडर प्रोजेक्ट एग्री MSME. अगर वो एग्री MSME में मैन्युफैक्चर करा तो आपको ये एग्री इंफ्रा फंड का बेनिफिट मिलेगा. सो सेकंड बेनिफिट इज 3% इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन. द मोरेटोरियम पीरियड इज गिवन 2 years. 2 ईयर का मैक्सिमम मोरिया पूरा एक्सेप्ट करो, बैंक को बोलो पूरा मोरेटोरियम पे, एंड द मैक्सिमम रीपेमेंट पीरियड परमिटेड इज 7 years. So it's a win-win situation, 1 lakh crore, and the product and this facility will be available up to 31-32. 2032 तक ये फैसिलिटी इंडिया में चलने वाली है. एंड बैंकर्स आर बिहाइंड द बोरोवर्स. बैंकर्स को टारगेट मिले, एंड द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इज द बिगेस्ट bank in the country which has done maximum work in agri infra fund. Next to that is the HDFC Bank. Even cooperative bank has come. What are the activity? Friends, 15 अगस्त को आपने प्रधानमंत्री जी को सुना होगा, हम लोग 1 लाख लखपति दीदी बनाएंगे, and we are going to train the rural women to fly the drone in the country. नेशनल ड्रोन पॉलिसी आ रहा है. अभी ड्रोन फार्म के अंदर काम करने वाला स्प्रेडिंग और इंसेक्टिसाइड्स और केमिकल्स को ये करने के. एंड डीजी स्काई इज द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी न्यू अपकमिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर वी प्रैक्टिसिंग सीए. dgsky.gov.in, where pilot training institute, because the drone which will be flied in the sky will be unmanned vehicle, and to train the drones how to run the, because the farmer वो खेडूत ड्रोन को नहीं उड़ाएगा, neither him it is possible for the खेडूत to purchase the drone. So what will happen in rural PMEGP और ये जो कौशल विकास योजना आई है 13,000 करोड़ की, जो आर्टिशियंस को पैसा देगा, the rural woman or a girl or a young boy will purchase a drone under, and he will get the benefit of this agri infra fund scheme also. एग्री इंफ्रा में 2 करोड़ के लोन के लिए कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं, तो ड्रोन परचेस कर लो 5 लाख का, ड्रोन पायलट बन जाओ, ट्रेनिंग कर लो. यू कैन सजेस्ट योर क्लाइंट्स टू एस्टेब्लिश ड्रोन ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, पायलट ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट. दैट इज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी एज पर एज दिस विलेज पॉपुलेशन इज. तो हाउ टू सिंक्रोनाइज द गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी with the future of India, the initiative taken by the Pradhan Sevak of our country. 13,000 crore for Vishwakarma Yojana, agriculture infrastructure scheme, drone, ये सबका बेनिफिट करके आप करोगे तो यू विल गेट कुछ तो भी नया प्रोडक्ट आपने मार्केट में लाया. एंड दैट इज स्टार्टअप, दैट इज इनोवेशन. इनोवेशन स्टार्टअप इज अ मैन्युफैक्चरर, but as a service provider, how we can grow our practice. Take the advantage. Read the newspaper in a true spirit as an MSME student. I have a habit to read more than 8 newspaper daily. Not for उद्धव ठाकरे कौन सी पार्टी में गया और ये कौन सी पार्टी में गया. मेरा पर्पज होता है MSME और इंडस्ट्री के लिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने क्या लाया. And I try to circulate that matter among the entrepreneurs in the country. So agri, drone is the future of India. If you are any, and drone is an electronic product, and Gujarat government is having Gujarat electronic policy. And under that policy, any person who is manufacturing any electronic products will be eligible. अगर वो आश्रम रोड पे भी फैक्ट्री डालता है, 100% of the cost of the project for electronic man. So many things are there to tell in front of you. So I'm just new agriculture marketing infrastructure, AMI scheme, which is taken by NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural, and that office is situated in Gandhinagar, very near. That's why I told you, you are lucky enough that you are situated. How much the subsidy for establishing dry warehouses, for establishing silos, mechanical handling, mechanical storage of commodity. Even cold storages are also covered. Even cotton ginning pressings are also covered. Agriculture marketing infrastructure scheme. And the maximum ceiling of subsidy is how much? 1 crore 33 lakh. Just imagine. So it is not only that you will guide the clients to get the subsidy. अरे भाई वो जब प्रोजेक्ट लेके आएगा तो आप बोलेंगे प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट आई विल प्रिपेयर. आई विल ऑल्सो अप्रोच टू द बैंकर्स टू गेट योर फंड अलोकेटेड फ्रॉम दैट एरिया. और आपका एंड प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? गेटिंग द सब्सिडी इन हिज हैंड्स, गेटिंग द सब्सिडी. सो multiple opportunity will come. So this is AMI Yojana, northeastern state. And in my opinion, any chartered accountant, if he has a vertical, and I think our this Ahmedabad branch is having multiple CA firms or multiple. Northeast is the biggest area where good opportunities, infrastructure, entrepreneurship, manufacturing enterprises. The concentration of the central government is northeast, and they are providing, and cold storages, manufacturing, organic food, packaging industries is the future of northeast. So 1 crore 33 lakh, 100 crore 75 lakh rupees for partnership, private limited company. Here also we can guide the clients how to avail the maximum subsidy, what type of constitution. Normally ladies file. Nobody is interested to become a proprietor or a woman entrepreneurship. And everywhere, whether it is a FPO, farmer producer organization, the maximum subsidy is made available to the woman entrepreneurs. So why don't we suggest our clients that you may establish the industry in the name of the woman in your own home. Ministry of Food Processing, Roti, Kapda or Makan. So one product is Ministry of Food Processing Industry. Kisan Sampada Yojana, PM Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. And at present, अभी इस वक्त प्रधानमंत्री की 5 स्कीम चल रही है जहां लेटर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन बुलाए जा रहा है. The government of India, Ministry of Food Processing is asking expression of interest for establishing food processing in the country. The expression of interest is open. Proposals are invited from entrepreneurs belonging to SC/ST category. At present, it is restricted to SC/ST category. बहुत बड़ा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स का रोल है. The line says that the 51% shareholding should be, or 51% holding should be by the SC/ST. I am telling you, huge opportunity. SC/ST कोई कॉन्फिडेंट का होगा तो उसको 52% की भागीदारी दे दो 10 साल के लिए. Make the application and avail the subsidy benefit. You can guide. अरे SC/ST मेरे काम का नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. You can tell your clients, if you have any best friend who is SC/ST, make the application under scheme and avail the benefits. What are the number of schemes are there? Creation, expansion of food processing, preservation. Gujarat तो ready to eat and ready to cook food के बारे में master. Huge opportunities ready to eat, and for that production linked incentive scheme for food processing sector has also come. And the expression of interest for South as Northeast and SC/ST category is open from 7 August से 20/9 तक. Just go to your homes, download the scheme, prepare a PowerPoint presentation, take the advantage of branches, go to the towns wherever there are industry association, Rajkot Industry Association, Himmatnagar Industry Association, become the faculty in small places, become the knowledge partner of Chamber of Commerce, and explain your, become a faculty on various topics which are new one. This is my habit. अभी कोई नया स्कीम आया उसको डाउनलोड करो, पीपीटी बनाओ, खुद होके भेजो. सर, इफ यू वांट टू हैव लेक्चर ऑन दिस पॉलिसी, चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स, इंडस्ट्री एसोसिएशन, MIDC, GIDC एसोसिएशन, आई एम रेडी टू डिलीवर द लेक्चर. भाई अपने इंस्टीट्यूट ने पब्लिसिटी का परमिशन नहीं दिया है, एटलीस्ट लेक्चर देने का तो परमिशन दिया है. Take the advantage. When you are delivering lecture, you are forecasting, you are showcasing that you are having some knowledge about the scheme. So expression of interest for creation, expansion of food processing industries. The details, how much subsidies are made, 35% up to 5 crore rupees. 35% of the project cost up to 5 crore rupees. Just imagine the amount of subsidy. Eligible sector, which are the sectors which are eligible? Agro processing cluster, जैसा आपके यहाँ private इंडस्ट्री पार्क की स्कीम है, तो यू कैन टेक द एडवांटेज ऑफ गुजरात प्राइवेट इंडस्ट्री पार्क, गुजरात SSI पार्क स्कीम in addition to agro processing cluster scheme of the Ministry of Food Processing Industry. And for that also up to 10-acre land, if anybody wants to establish agro processing cluster, that entrepreneur will get a subsidy of 10 crore rupees. So special purpose vehicle creation, SPV creation के बाद में उसका loan proposal, everything will come to you. 35% of the project cost, 50% of the project cost, subject to 10 crore. 10 crore is the amount earmarked for agro processing. Cold chain facility, farm to shop, Reliance Fresh के shop में, farm to shop, cold chain facility. Expression of interest is at present going on in the country. The facility has come to you. Now we have to be, अपना लोगो ही है, सोए में जागे हुए. So we have to be awakened whenever the policies are declared by the central government. Cold chain scheme, again the subsidy will be say up to 10 crore rupees. Food safety and quality lab, if anybody want to establish a lab, again the scheme is going on. Vocal for local, for some it may be a slogan, for an MSME consultant it means a huge business opportunity. Manufacture locally, sell it globally. आइए भारत में निर्माण करिए, make in India and sell anywhere in the world. So make in India means manufacture in India, and manufacturing in India means MSME practice. And if there is an MSME practice, it is a non-traditional. Once you enter, traditional practice. So vocal for local, global. Farmer producer company, company secretaries, chartered accountants. We don't think beyond. Farmer producer company registered कर दो, अपना काम खत्म हो गया. But beyond that, farmer producers company are eligible to get SFAC, Small Farmers Agribusiness Consortium, New Delhi, 15 lakh रुपए का equity grant without repayment. Farmer producer company, think beyond the schemes, not only subsidy. Mega textile park, Mitra scheme of the central government, recently inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister in Maharashtra, Amravati. PM Mitra scheme, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat, Navsari. PM Mitra Park, 7 parks are established in the country. National Mission on Technical Textile. The future of textile is in national technical textile. कोविड में जो मास्क था, जो पीपीई किट था, इट वॉज नथिंग बट अ टेक्निकल टेक्सटाइल. जो चेयर पे आप बैठे हुए हैं, ये जो कुशन है, इट इज नथिंग बट अ टेक्निकल टेक्सटाइल. एंड जब स्मृति ईरानी जी टेक्सटाइल मिनिस्टर थी, शी हैज प्रोक्लेम we are net importer of technical textile and we want to become the exporter of technical textile, and for that the government of India has come out with a national mission on technical textile with a 1480 crore. No one is aware about the national mission on technical textile. This word are used by some and see the sector in which this technical textiles is used. See the sectors. Huge opportunities are available. Pradhan Mantri Employment Guarantee Program, I think a newcomer, a new chartered accountant, just got passed at initial stage of his practice. आपको मजा नहीं आएगा PMEG की practice because the bankers are reluctant to finance. But if you want to really start your practice in MSME, you can start with PMEGP scheme, which is itself is giving subsidy 15% to 25% in urban area and rural areas. For special category SC, ST and women, it is 25% to 35% of the project cost. CGT MSC, Credit Guarantee Fund Scheme, without call up to 5 crore rupees. और बैंकर्स आपको पूछेंगे सर मुझे ये स्कीम के अंदर काम करना है. वंस यू आर इन MSME प्रैक्टिस, बैंकर्स विल बी बिहाइंड यू. सर मैं 5 करोड़ रुपए का CGT MSC में दे दूंगा, कोई अच्छा बोरोवर मुझे ला के, बिकॉज बैंक ऑल्सो डू नॉट वांट दैट देयर अकाउंट बिकम NPA. और अप टू 5 crore rupees विदाउट एनी कोलैटरल सिक्योरिटी. एंड इफ द गुजरात, द हाइएस्ट कॉटन ग्रोइंग स्टेट इन द कंट्री, 1 crore 30 lakh कॉटन बेल्स गुजरात में बनता है और एक जिनिंग फैक्ट्री को 5 करोड़ के ऊपर नहीं लगता है. एक कोल्ड स्टोरेज अगर आपको डालना है तो 5 करोड़ के ऊपर बैंक लोन की जरूरत ही नहीं. सो यू कैन टेक द एडवांटेज ऑफ CGT MSC स्कीम, प्रोवाइडेड योर borrower net worth or whatever integrity and trust is very good. You can take the advantage of CGT MSC scheme. It's a very good scheme. And government is ऑल्सो अभी गुप्ता जी ने भी वही बताया कि हम लोग CGT MSC में उसका स्केल बढ़ा दिया है, 2 करोड़ से उसको 5 करोड़ तक लेके आए हैं. और वो रिवैम्प किया है. उसका जो गारंटी कमीशन विच इज ब्रॉट डाउन फ्रॉम 2% to 2.37%. गारंटी कमीशन इज ऑल्सो ब्रॉट डाउन. क्रेडिट गारंटी स्कीम द गवर्नमेंट थोड़ा सा. मेडिकल डिवाइसेस पॉलिसी 2023. इंडिया इज नॉट आत्मनिर्भर as far as medical devices is concerned. And to give the boost to the medical devices, the government of India has come out with the medical devices. And Baroda is the biggest medicine manufacturer in the country. And if you are aware, if you download this policy and you can guide to your concern, I think you become the accelerator in your own state to give the boost to the medical devices policy or policy. What type of benefits are made? Bulk drug scheme in the country. Satat scheme. 5,000 CBG plants are the mission of the government for establishing Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Think beyond Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Corporate Affairs. 5,000 compressed biogas plant from cow dung, and Gujarat is having Amul. Amul दूध लाता है तो वहाँ पे cow dung बहुत बड़े प्रमाण पे होता है. See the chain in your mind. And that cow dung can be converted into wealth by energy. So 5,000 CBG plants are going to be established. National Green Hydrogen Mission, the future of India. The car will run on hydrogen. Make in India, create in India. Gujarat ITES policy. Gujarat Information Technology enabled policy. Synchronize it with the Government of India, Ministry of Information Technology policy. Create in India. Content creation, software creation. AVGC sector is now open. भारत में creation करो और world में बेचो. Under AVGC scheme of the government of India. Take the advantage of Gujarat. And Madam Chairman person, I will request, create a train the trainer program. आप गुजरात की जितनी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस है सब में आपके 4 लोगों का टीम तैयार करो and tell them to become an expert faculty in गुजरात ITES पॉलिसी. और ये इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के 3rd और 4th ईयर और फाइनल ईयर MBA MTech के स्टूडेंट को जाके गुजरात ITIT पॉलिसी के बाद में एजुकेट करो. 50% स्टूडेंट विल कम टू द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप रादर देन रनिंग विद द पैकेज. I think the best policy in the country is the Gujarat ITITS policy. Only thing is that awareness is not among the students. And I think ICAI can take pride in having this type of seminar in engineering colleges. So IVGC, electronic manufacturing cluster. Maharashtra, 300-acre land is dedicated near Pune for electronic manufacturing cluster. And as I told you, Maharashtra government is having Maharashtra electronic policy, under which 100% of the project cost, maybe 5,000 crore, is eligible as subsidy. And we are taking the advantage. We got the clients under this Maharashtra electronic policy. Similar policy is there in the state of Gujarat. Millet years. हम वर्ल्ड मिलेट ईयर एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हैं 2023. But we as an MSME, it's a huge opportunity for millets manufacturing in the country. हम रागी खिलाते 2 महीने 8 महीने के बच्चे को. But we never thought that this is an organic food, a nutritious food. And for that the government of India has come out with Indian Institute of Millet Research. Recipe तैयार है, patent तैयार है, machineries तैयार है. I have attended one world national conference on millet at Hyderabad, and I have seen the recipes of millets which is prepared by huge professional opportunity. Indian footwear and leather programs. Service export, our own colleague. हमारे जो पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट है इंस्टीट्यूट के सुनील जी तलाटी इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ सर्विस एक्सपोर्ट काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया. अभी एमएसएमई कमेटी ने इंडिया के लोगों को, इंडिया के चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को बहुत ज़्यादा एमएसएमई सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स के बारे में सिखा दिया. Why not we take the advantage going to these underdeveloped countries to develop their MSME policies, to educate them how to uplift their MSME in their own countries, African countries. So service export from India. National mission on edible oil, oil palm. India is not self-reliant as far as edible oil manufacturing is concerned. For that, the government has come out with a scheme of 11,000 crore. Gati Shakti scheme. Again, Pradhan Mantri ने स्टेज से बोला था लाल फोर्ट से, गति शक्ति स्कीम ऑफ 1 करोड़. बट सी द एक्टिविटी टेकन अंडर गति शक्ति स्कीम. मल्टी मॉडल कनेक्टिविटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, शीप एंड दिस, नेशनल मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पावर, 202 फिशिंग क्लस्टर, अगेन गुजरात कोस्टल बेल्ट, हार्बर लैंडिंग सेंटर्स, 109 फार्मा पार्क, 90 textile park, food processing industry, Gati Shakti, national vehicle scrappage policy. Gujarat is the first state in the country to get the official license in Mehsana from the Ministry of Road and Highway Authority. किसी के लिए ये पॉलिसी होगी, पर फॉर MSME consultant it is a 30,000 crore rupees business opportunity within the country. National vehicle scrappage policy. Any vehicle which is a private vehicle which is unfit to be run on the road and which has completed 15 years of its life has to be compulsorily go for fitness test, and if that vehicle finds to be unfit, it has to be compulsorily scrapped, and the scrappage will be done only by an authorized scrappage center, and that authorized scrappage center will issue the end of vehicle life certificate, and that end of vehicle life certificate is a negotiable instrument. सो गुजरात, अहमदाबाद, वडोदरा, सूरत, जामनगर, ये जो एक बड़ा व्हीकल का पॉपुलेटेड एरिया है, यहाँ पर व्हीकल स्क्रैपेज सेंटर निर्माण होने की बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी, बहुत बड़ी. दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ हाउ दीज कंसेशंस विल बी गिवन. प्रोडक्शन लिंक्ड इंसेंटिव स्कीम, आइए, द बिग फोर शुड कम फ्रॉम इंडिया. 14 प्रोडक्शन लिंक्ड, सर मैं 5 मिनट विथ योर परमिशन, बिकॉज I am getting this opportunity to all the way come from official part of Dhule. But the way the audience are listening patiently, I am impatient, so I want to give more knowledge to you people. With the permission of the chairperson, please. PLI scheme, Production Linked Incentive Scheme. Why only Big Four? We are blaming Big Four are taking the opportunity. Why not 14 chartered accountants from Gujarat, Ahmedabad comes together and each one become the in charge of one scheme of the government of India as far as production linked incentive scheme, and seen the fund allocation. Can you imagine? Automobile auto component, 57,000 crore is a fund allocated. Pharmaceutical, 15,000 crore. Mobile, we are now exporting mobiles because of this PLI scheme, 40,000. Food products, 10,000 crore. See the area, see the opportunities. Come together, make a multidisciplinary chartered accountant. There is no future in proprietorship, no future. If you want to really grow your practice, become, see from MSME you have come to the traditional practice. अगर आपने किसी मल्टीनेशनल को ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर में 10 करोड़, 1 करोड़, 2 करोड़ मिला के दिया, I think the audit, the internal audit, taxation work, GST work will remain with you. That is production linked incentive scheme. India's infrastructure, monetizing government of national monetization pipeline. विरोधक चिल्लाने लगे, भारत को बेचने निकले. हमारे लिए ये professional opportunities. When the government of India is expecting to realize 6 lakh crore by renting the ideal assets of the government of India to the private sector, how much capex will come in the country? और जब capex होगा तो manufacturing आएगा. Huge opportunity. And the sector from where the government of India is expecting to mobilize, monetize the assets of the government of India. 6 lakh crore by 24-25. And उसमें से जो target दिया था 88, it is surpassed. जो target दिया 23, 162 crore, it is surpassed. So the advantage in this, asset monetization plan, national infrastructure, Ministry of Aviation, no more to go to Switzerland, Malaysia for enjoying the this paragliding. National Air Sports Policy 2022. Semiconductor, we are facing shortage of chips in the country. For that, the Ministry of Information Technology, Government of India. That's why I told the chairperson, have a lectures in engineering colleges by the chartered accountants. Become the knowledge partner for the youth population of our country. 76,000 crore is earmarked for giving benefits to the Mission Green India. One Dhan scheme. वन से धन का निर्माण करो. दैट इज द स्कीम. हाउ टू ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटी. गुजरात में गिर का जंगल है, डांग का जंगल है, फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन हैव नेशनल इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर. ढोलेरा इज द बिगेस्ट एग्जांपल एज फार एज गुजरात इज कंसर्न. अगेन अ पार्टनरशिप ऑफ 11 चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स इन द कंट्री. one person in charge of one industrial park, industrial zone in the country. And for that, the government of India has come out with National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation of India Limited at New Delhi. हम एक दिल्ली मुंबई इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर इंचार्ज 1, अमृतसर कोलकाता कॉरिडोर, because it's a world class infrastructure. Right from allotment of land to commissioning of the project, we can guide to the entrepreneurs, which may be Delhi Mumbai Sagarmala project. Huge 7,516 किलोमीटर कोस्ट बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज. सस्टेनेबल सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी, जैसा मैंने आपको व्हीकल स्क्रैपेज पॉलिसी बोला, जितना गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया डिजिटाइट हो रहा है, जितना सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी पॉलिसी लेके आया है गवर्नमेंट. एंड इफ यू रियली वांट टू बिकम एन एक्सपर्ट इन एमएसएमई, concentrate on this new tagline, circular economy policy. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट रिसाइकलिंग, इट इज अ गोल्ड माइन. किसके लिए ये भंगार का धंधा होगा, बट इट्स अ गोल्ड माइन. It's a gold mine. Purchase the scrap. It is not necessary it should be a computer, it should be a laptop, it should be a printer. There are so many electronic items in your own house. फिर वो washing machine हो, कैश का, कार का डैशबोर्ड हो. Circular economy policy. How to make wealth waste from waste to wealth and help the lifestyle for environment is the MOGO. Recycle, repair, refurbish, remanufacture, reduce and reuse. With this, with a little time allotted to me, I tried. I have number of schemes to tell in front of you. The whole day will be required, but friends, I urge, please come to this new area of practice, form a partnership, add one young partner in your firm, tell him to join the certificate course on MSME and grow your MSME practice. I thanks to the branch for inviting me and thanks to the audience for the question. Thank you. If you have any question, you are open to ask me.
सर टाइम कम पड़ा, सही बात है. और हम सब लोग वैसे आर्टिकलशिप तो कर चुके हैं, बट दोबारा आर्टिकलशिप करना चाहेंगे आपके यहाँ. Question answers. So 5-10 minutes we can take question answers.
So the question to ask is, sir, कि those entrepreneurs who have missed the bus of PMAGP scheme, so later when they are going for expansion, so as per my understanding, there is an expansion whereby one can go up to 1 crore. So is it mandatory कि अगर initially startup के stage में लिया हो PMAGP का benefit तो ही expansion में मिलेगा? So, it is not so, no? Because in one of our clientele instance, they experienced that the application was rejected, so they were not able to proceed because they said कि original आपने PMAGP में benefit नहीं लिया है, तो expansion में भी आपको benefit नहीं मिलेगा.
Separate entity, whether it is a diversification, expansion, separate assets are created, separate loan is asked by him. I think he should be eligible. Or better, you meet personally to the person who has rejected it.
Okay.
You see, normally what I suggest everyone, let the officer should reject it. हमको आदत गिर गई है ऑफिसर के जाके रिक्वेस्ट करें. Reject with the reason. बस. Reason cannot be outside the policy. The reason should be within the policy.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
हेलो सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर नॉलेज. आपने जो शेयर किया बहुत हेल्पफुल था. बट एज ए यंग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट आई वांट टू नो हाउ कैन वी स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिस इन दिस एरिया. जैसे आपने बोला PMGP जो स्कीम है उसके थ्रू स्टार्ट करें, उसमें काम करें, तो हाउ कैन वी स्टार्ट इन दिस एरिया कि हम इसमें किस हिसाब से इनिशिएट करें, कहाँ से नॉलेज एक्वायर करें, और डिड यू ऑथर एनी बुक जो हम रिफ़र कर सकें, क्योंकि ये शॉर्ट टाइम में तो सारा नॉलेज नहीं मिल पाया.
सर ये कॉन्फ्रेंस से आज मैं आपको गारंटी देता हूँ, कंसिडरिंग यूर एज, यू इन्वेस्ट 1 more ईयर एज पर माय डायरेक्शन. आप गुजरात इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी 2020 जो 8 अगस्त 2020 को डिक्लेयर हुई है, उसको डाउनलोड करो, उसका पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन करो, चेयर पर आपके चेयरमैन को मिलो और उनको कहो कि मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दे छोटे छोटे टाउन में जाके ये पॉलिसी के बारे में लेक्चर्स देने का. और आप 1 साल 6 महीना केवल फ्री में सब जगह जाके लेक्चर्स दो. और जो मैंने अभी कहा कि ITS पॉलिसी का स्टडी करो और इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में जाके दो. इंस्टीट्यूट बहुत खुश होगी बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो पार्टनर इन नेशन बिल्डिंग. आप ये एक्सरसाइज केवल 1 साल के लिए कर लो. गुजरात इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी 2020 16 पॉलिसीज है, उसका पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन मेरे पास तैयार है, मैं आपको भेजता हूँ. एंड यू एश्योर टू द चेयरपर्सन दैट आई एम रेडी टू डिलीवर लेक्चर. मैं आपको बोलता 1 साल के बाद में आप बोलेगा मेरा प्रैक्टिस चालू हो गया है.
Sir has rightly point out that every government policy or the subsidy is an opportunity for us. सर इतनी सब्सिडी, इतनी पॉलिसी देखी हमने तो कभी इतना सुना भी नहीं था जितना आज देखा, और शायद काफ़ी रह भी गया. आप बता रहे हैं कुछ बताना. We will start reading the newspaper, not 8, but we will start with the 2 or 3 and would like to gather the information. Sir has also point out that it is not the job of the one person. We have to build up a team. We have to join the hands with other professionals also. So that apart from the traditional work, simultaneously all the things we can offer to the clients. Sir has also told that there should be MBA in MSME. Yes, rightly, I also agree with that. And there will be, I think, I foresee that there will be one subject also in our CA final regarding the MSME or the part of that. एंड आर्टिकल्स भी शायद पूछेंगे फिर जब ज्वाइन करेंगे फर्म को कि आपके यहाँ एमएसएमई का काम होता है कि नहीं होता है मतलब सो अभी एंड
I'm just interfering, sir, with your permission. One chartered accountant from Pune, he has stayed with me for 1 year, and now he is a leading practitioner in Aurangabad district as far as MSME practice. तो CA बने बाद में उसने 1 साल मेरे साथ में रहा, and he was staying in a room in a hostel, and he has, and मुझे मेरे पास जब शिष्य बन के आया तो मुझे गुरु करके सिखाना था. But I'm very happy that he has become a leading practitioner in Aurangabad.
thank you very much. And sir, on behalf of the Ahmedabad branch, we are thankful to you, sir, for sparing the time and you have traveled for us. We would like to see you in future. Thank you very much, sir.